Okay.
Hey, it's me, Alicia again. My mom, Brandy Dean, has a helium balloon. This is gonna be scary. Another production by the Doodle Show people.
Doodle Show.
Back up. Oh, wait, no, it needs to go straight. Oh, we get to use it. Shh.
Hello? It doesn't work, does it?
I don't know.
Hello? Talk normal.
Hello? Hello?
Oh, here, you just hit me.
Hello? Hi, everyone. Hello? Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Way up, way up. Now there it goes, there it goes. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. Hero jelly, hero jelly, baseball bat. Hi. Hello? Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly.
You can't show my thing, Jack.
Peanut butter jelly.
Hello? Is it working?
Not really.
Okay. I don't know how to do this.
Mom, you gotta do it too.
Hello?
Your turn, Mommy, your turn.
It worked, it worked, it worked, it worked!
Deep breath in.
You sound like Alvin Chipmunk on crack.
Hello? Hi.
Alvin the Chipmunk on crack.
Talk normal.
Hello? Hi.
Your turn, Mom. You gotta do it now, Mom.
I'm
Mom.
not stuck in helium.
Yes, you are.
Hello? That was so funny.
Oh my God. Barbecue sauce.
Whoa! Mama!
This? Mom has something for us. Let's follow her.
Scary beans and rice.
Oh my God. What's that?
A little hole right there.
Oh my gosh, Jay. Timer beep.
Run dead.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. Yeah, buddy.
How's that? Go clean your room.
It is clean.
Do your chores.
They are.
Okay.
Go fix us dinner. Please.
That's it. It's gone.
Okay.
Second this get burnt.
Wave bye to the people, Dad.
Not in there.
Wave bye to you two people. Thank you.
Okay, come clean up all these balloons over here that you guys told me you already cleaned up.
We did. Uh-oh. Don't yell at the YouTube people, please.
Oh, dang.
Oh, there are some. Okay.